Evolution is a tale of desire. Who fell for whom and why we're inspired to spend our short lives trying to be the fittest to kiss and be kissed by, fist and be fisted, depending on your personal preference. But no matter how you do it or whom you may be doing, the whole concept can be kind of confusing. Like how we crawl out the primordial soup and become all these beautiful, sex-having humans. It's a big, bulging question. It's the evolution of sex.
The evolution of sex.
Well, bacteria were the first to get lucky. After that came the mushroom-tipped fungi, then eventually monkeys, and then you're and my folks with female and male cells combining in zygotes. But female and male are relative concepts. They mean different things depending on context. In this sense, I simply mean cells and their contents genetically, sex and not gender constructs. We have pronouns. Nature has a process. Sex is quite complex. So-called female sex cells are eggs. Some lay them in nests and some stay between the legs, a stable container of genetic information that may or may not receive fertilization. The cells we call male, on the other hand, learn to transfer genetics in different terms, expendable swimmers that slither and squirm, billions and billions and billions of sperm. But as eggs evolved, they got harder to reach, to keep out these unwanted sperm from the breach. So species with wombs, to get to their recesses, had to evolve long and impetuous penises. And that's why the world is full of dicks.
The world is full of dicks.
Now the dicks of blue whales are a half city block. Roosters got none, but we call it a cock. We're not Moby Dick, but we're also not chicken. The average human's just under a 6-inch. But let's talk vaginas. The blue whales is deep. Koalas have 2 and kangaroos 3. Ducks come in spirals and through parthenogenesis. Some all-female lizards don't need dicks, they're lesbians. For some have one, and some have the other, and some have both and can father and mother. It's not just a matter of the masculines, feminines, no matter how you may read it in Genesis. Nature is queer. Nature is queer AF. Sex ain't gender, whether grinder or the Tinder. We may say male and female, yes, but nature says whatever. For no matter what the fulcrum is, no matter what the lever, all the parts are made to function if they're working well and ever in a state of good adjustment that in us is known as pleasure, and in other organisms may be different but not lesser. For no matter what the whole is, no one's whole or member's better. Survival of the fittest means let's fit this together.
The evolution of sex.